Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Are you starting your garden late in the season? No worries. Today we're talking about speed gardening, highlighting the quickest vegetables to grow so you can still enjoy a bountiful harvest. Let's get started. Fast-growing crops are perfect for last-minute gardeners. They allow you to make the most of the growing season, providing fresh produce quickly. Plus, they're ideal for small spaces and container gardens. First up, radishes. Ready to harvest in just 20 to 30 days, they thrive in cooler weather. Sow the seeds directly into the soil and keep them well watered. Lettuce can be harvested in as little as 30 days. Plant the seeds in a sunny spot and enjoy fresh salads quickly. Use cut-and-come-again harvesting for a continuous supply. Spinach is ready to harvest in about 30 to 45 days. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil and keep them moist. It's great for early spring or late summer planting. Green onions or scallions can be harvested in 20 to 30 days. Plant the bulbs or seeds in full sun and keep the soil moist. Bush beans are ready in about 50 to 60 days. They can be grown in containers. Just plant the seeds in a sunny location and keep them well watered. Zucchini is ready to harvest in about 50 to 60 days. Plant the seeds in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Remember, regular harvesting encourages more production. With these fast-growing crops, you can start your garden mid-season and still enjoy a delicious harvest. Give speed gardening a try and see how quickly you can grow your own fresh produce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!